Social pressure. I know that one firsthand. It comes at you from culture, from family, from jobs, from body image. It just feels like we're never enough and we're onslaught with that. When you feel so good about who you are exactly as you are, there's no pressure because you're not here to please anyone. Up your self-love and self-care so that you raise your vibration, you raise how you project yourself in the world, you feel good about yourself, you do your best because you're you. If you stop trying to be someone else or compare, things get easier. It's okay to cut ties with people. There's no, I need to be friends with my friends from this. We outgrow friends and relationships and don't feel guilty. Know your worth, have healthy boundaries, ask for what you need. Keep a journal of negative thoughts because they take up space and energy. So if you want, grab a notebook and every time something comes up like, oh my God, I screwed up on this thing, my boss wants that. Just get it out of your head. You don't have to do anything with it, create space, and then maybe start filling it up with other thoughts like, I'm amazing just because I am. And then it'll start to feel better.